Fast food fries, a guilty pleasure for many. Whether it's the crispy texture or the salty flavor, there's something undeniably satisfying about them. But did you know most fast food fries contain an ingredient not typically found in your kitchen? It's an unexpected addition that might surprise you. This ingredient, dimethyl polysilicoxane, is more commonly recognized as silicone. It's not something you'd expect in your food. Yes, the same silicone used in medical implants and sealants finds its way into your favorite fried potato treat. It's a bit shocking, isn't it? While seemingly alarming, its purpose is purely practical, to prevent the frying oil from foaming excessively. This ensures the fries cook evenly and maintain their signature texture. This revelation may have you looking at your next order of fries differently. It's a reminder that there's often more than meets the eye in our favorite foods. It begs the question, what else is lurking in these seemingly simple snacks? What other hidden ingredients are we consuming without even realizing it? Let's delve into the world of Burger King fries, a fan favorite for their crispy exterior and fluffy interior. What makes them so irresistible? We'll uncover the truth behind their production, dispel common myths, and explore the ingredients, both common and unexpected, that make up this iconic fast food staple. Stay tuned as we reveal the secrets behind the perfect fry. Burger King, the home of the Whopper, is also renowned for its fries. Their thick-cut golden fries have garnered a loyal following, often praised for their crispy texture and savory flavor. But what is it about these fries that sets them apart? Some attribute it to the potato variety used, while others swear by the unique frying process. The truth, as we'll soon discover, lies in a combination of factors, from the careful selection of potatoes to the precise cooking techniques employed. Burger King's fries are engineered for mass appeal, designed to deliver a satisfying crunch with every bite. Their popularity is a testament to the power of flavor and texture, a combination that keeps customers coming back for more. Fast food, by its very nature, often evokes images of unhealthy eating habits and questionable ingredients. Burger King fries are no exception. Concerns about high calorie counts, trans fats, and excessive sodium levels are not unfounded. However, it's important to approach these concerns with a balanced perspective. Like most fried foods, Burger King fries should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. They are not inherently bad, but rather a treat to be enjoyed occasionally. Understanding the nutritional content and making informed choices is key. Don't let fear-mongering dictate your dietary decisions. Arm yourself with knowledge and enjoy your food, fries included, responsibly. From potato to plate, the making of a Burger King fry. It's a fascinating journey that combines quality ingredients with precise techniques. The journey of a Burger King fry begins with a humble potato, specifically the russet Burbank variety. These potatoes are known for their excellent frying qualities. Chosen for its high starch content, this potato variety yields a fluffy interior and a crispy exterior when fried. This combination is key to the perfect fry. The potatoes are peeled, cut into thick strips and blanched to remove excess starch. This step ensures that the fries cook evenly and achieve the right texture. Next comes the pre-frying stage, where the fries are partially cooked in vegetable oil. This initial frying is crucial for locking in flavor and setting the stage for the final fry. This step helps to achieve the desired texture and reduce cooking time in the restaurant. Efficiency is key in fast food preparation. Finally, the fries are frozen and shipped to Burger King locations worldwide. This ensures that every fry is fresh and ready to be cooked to perfection. When an order is placed, the frozen fries are cooked in a blend of vegetable oils until golden brown and crispy. The result is a delicious fry that complements any meal. The unexpected ingredient unveiling the secret behind what makes these fries so crispy and delicious. We've already touched upon the presence of dimethyl polysilicoxane, a compound that might sound unfamiliar to many. This silicone-based anti-foaming agent is used in Burger King fries to maintain the quality of the frying oil. While this ingredient might raise eyebrows and cause some concern, it's important to note that it's present in minute quantities, often less than a fraction of a percent. Regulatory authorities, including the FDA, have deemed it safe for consumption in these small amounts. Its purpose is purely functional, ensuring the frying oil remains stable and doesn't foam excessively during the cooking process. This helps in maintaining the quality and consistency of the fries, making sure they are always up to the mark. This unexpected ingredient highlights the complexities of modern food production and the science behind it. While we strive for simple, natural ingredients in our diets, the reality is that many processed foods contain additives and preservatives that serve specific purposes, such as improving texture, flavor, or shelf life. These additives are often essential for maintaining the quality and safety of the food we consume. Understanding these ingredients and their functions empowers us to make informed choices about the food we consume, leading to a healthier and more aware lifestyle.